Open up your world with the new flip-top credenza from Arison Enterprises. The flip-top credenza opens into a full-length, queen-size bed from an attractive cabinet. To open, the storage drawer telescopes out on 8 inline sturdy casters with a convenient pull strap. Next, flip open the top, slide open the bolts on each side, and unhook the safety chain. Then the cabinet front folds down to rest on 2 felt-covered support rails. Finally, unfold the mattress and you're ready for bed. The sleeping platform easily supports 500 pounds. The bottom flap opens to complete the length of the bed and for easy access to the deep storage drawer. The flip top is held in place by 2 stop hinges, so you can keep items on the top even when it's open. Felt-covered runners won't mar the finish. This innovative cabinet bed comes in several styles and finishes. Closing the flip-top credenza is just as easy as opening it. Simply fold the mattress and tuck it into the cabinet. Fold up the platform, attach the safety chain, and close the slide bolts. Closing the drawer transforms the bed back into a freestanding cabinet. No bolting to floor or walls, and the usable top surface is only 39 inches high. The flip-top credenza makes it easy to settle in for a cozy night's sleep.